Welcome to Cruise with Jordan.
Go again. Hold on, wait. My bit doesn't play now.
What?
Okay, go.
Welcome to Cruise with Jordan and Andrew.
Just for the record, I'm Jordan, I'm 34 and I'm a teacher.
And I'm Andrew, and I'm 38, and I'm a software consultant. And we've decided to create this channel just to share our cruising tips and tricks. As you can probably guess from this video, everything that you're going to hear is completely unscripted. It's our complete honest opinion about all of the trips that we've been on and all the trips that are going to come as well. I'm definitely more about the ships and finding the holidays, booking the holidays, and like the service, the food, the drink.
I'm definitely a bit more about the stops where we go on, where the cruise is taking us, and definitely what we're doing when we get off the ship, like the shore excursions, what we're up to, trying food out, all about that really.
So between us, you're going to get a mix of everything. Probably won't find a ship tour from us because we're not going to be wandering around with a GoPro stuck to our back. You're just going to be enjoying what we enjoy doing, and if there's any tips and tricks along the way, then we'll share them with you.
We've also gone to the social media page. We've been on social media since about 2020, since lockdown. We started with sort of a dog influencer type page, which grew, which was just crazy. But we've created this page because we wanted to share more about our trips and our holidays, which unfortunately Lincoln can't come on. We've also set up new Instagram and social pages called Cruise Jordan Andrew. So you can see them on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. They've got different types of content to this. It's like the short type reels, the funny stuff we're up to on a daily basis, basically.
If you want to see more from us, then please subscribe, and you'll see more from us coming soon.
And I'll try to speak a little bit more slowly for you.
Try your best.
I'll try it.
See you soon.